Hello friends, myself Vikas Sorgade. Today we are going to see Coulomb's law in electrostatics. First of all, I will tell you what is electrostatics. Electrostatics means study of static charges. When charges are at rest, its study is called electrostatics. And in electrostatics, Coulomb's law gives the relationship between two charges, force between two charges. Force between two charges. There is two types of forces, force of attraction and force of repulsion. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Like charges means if charge q1 and q2 separated by distance r, if both charges are positive or both charges are negative, they are called like charges. And if two charges are like charges, then there is force of repulsion. And one charge is positive and another charge is negative, then there is force of attraction. Like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Understood? Now I will tell you statement of Coulomb's law. Statement of Coulomb's law. See, the force of attraction or repulsion between two charges is directly proportional to magnitude of product of two charges. Force of attraction or repulsion between two charges is directly proportional to magnitude of product of two charges. See, force is directly proportional to magnitude of product of two charges. Force is directly proportional to q1 into q2 and force is inversely proportional to square of distance between two charges. Distance is r. Force is inversely proportional to square of distance between two charges. That is force proportional to 1 upon r square. Force inversely proportional to r square. If I combine these two equations, we get force proportional to q1 into q2 and inversely proportional to r square. To remove the proportionality symbol, we need a proportionality constant. Take it C. F is equals to C into q1 into q2 divided by r square. This is equation number 1. Now value of C is C is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. C equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. This value depends on intervening medium. Means if we insert a medium between two charges or these two charges are inserted in another medium. Another means other than air or vacuum. Other than air or vacuum, then value between two forces changes. That is this force constant also. This constant also changes, not force constant. This proportionality constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, its value also changes. C equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, its value is practically 9 into 10 raised to 9. How to find its unit? Easy है. कितना easy है देखो. देखो बच्चों, क्या है? R square C. We have to find the unit of C. R square is here multiplication. Force का unit Newton. R square distance. Distance का unit meter. Meter square. Newton meter square. Charge का unit Coulomb. Coulomb into Coulomb. Coulomb square. वो इधर division में आएगा. Force Newton. Distance square multiplication में Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Newton meter square per Coulomb square. This is unit for 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Okay. Now what is epsilon 0? Epsilon 0 is permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space or air, permittivity of free space or air, its value is 8.85 into 10 raised to -12। यूनिट क्या है इसका? देखो 4 पाई को यूनिट नहीं, कांस्टेंट नंबर है वो 4 पाई। इप्सिलॉन 0 का यूनिट और डिवीजन में है तो डिवीजन में यूनिट क्या होगा इसका? रेसिप्रोकल होगा। 1/4 पाई इप्सिलॉन 0 का यूनिट न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर कूलम स्क्वायर। 4 पाई हैज नो यूनिट, सो 1 इप्सिलॉन 0 का यूनिट मतलब न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर कूलम स्क्वायर। इसका रेसिप्रोकल करो, इप्सिलॉन 0 मींस यूनिट का भी रेसिप्रोकल करो, c स्क्वायर पर न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर, कूलम स्क्वायर पर न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर। इट इज द यूनिट फॉर value and unit for permittivity of free space, 8.85 to 10 raised to -12। Okay, then finally Coulomb's law becomes force F is equals to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 into product of two charges divided by distance square. This is the formula for Coulomb square. Easy है। If, now see what I am going to say. If these two charges are inserted in a medium of permittivity epsilon, if epsilon equal to epsilon 0 k, what is that? Permittivity of medium, permittivity of medium, two charges are inserted in a medium, permittivity of medium, then force becomes F is equals to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 k into product of charges q1 into q2 divided by r square. K means क्या है? K is dielectric constant. K equal to dielectric constant, dielectric constant for medium, that medium's dielectric constant, its unit and dimensions कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? See, epsilon equal to epsilon 0 k, epsilon divided by epsilon 0 is equal to k. This is permittivity of medium, permittivity of free space. Then दोनों का यूनिट कैंसिल हो जाएगा। k is unitless, it has no unit and dimensionless, no unit no dimensions। k डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट है मीडियम का, इसका यूनिट नहीं डायमेंशंस नहीं। ओके, समझ में आ गया? तो ध्यान मेरे को कूलोम्स लॉ।